My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. It's the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 25,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. This camper is 4 berths, 6 belts. So as we'll be able to see from the pictures, this double bed transforms into 3 seats. You also have a full kitchen, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get quick access to Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, radio and media. To put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control. And finally, we have the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.